Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to rotate and flip videos in InShot. So if you want to rotate your videos or you want to flip the size of your video in InShot, here is a quick step or a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is you have to scroll down to, you have to move these your tools bars to where you can get the rotate option, and just keep moving till you find the option for rotate, and this is right here. This is rotate. Just tap on the rotate button, then right here you can simply rotate the video around on your screen. You can see just like round like that. And if you want to flip the video from the side, you can just flip them, flip in, flip out, and that is it. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.
Yeah, move it next.